This is the lift in Lidl's at Bexleyheath. It's at fire and security, and also my lift fans too. This is gonna be the one in Lidl's, and you're gonna love this. It's a Kone lift. The doors is the same Waterstones doors in the Glade Shopping Centre in Bromley. It's the same doors compared to that one, the door there. And it's a Kone lift. Oh, don't tell me it's not working. Oh, it's a Kone. There we go. Here it is. Got one. It's a Kone Eco disc. It's a Kone lift. Capacity 21 persons or 1,600 kilos. It's a Kone Eco disc. We're at 1. Go back down. Oh. Hey lift fans, sorry I had to stop filming because of what happened. Yeah, gonna call the lift. Go down to 0. Thank you. Yeah, it's Kone Eco disc. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Go back up to 1. Yeah, we'll go up to 1 last time, we'll go back down to 0. Yeah, it's past 21 persons or 1,600 kilos. Hey lift fans from Mirror and set fire and security. Right, go back down to 0. Yeah, this is the lift in Lidl's. Love this lift, but it's got the same doors as the Waterstones lift. So yeah. We're back at 0. Yeah, this is the coolest Kone lift I've ever seen. Here it goes, and that's it. Thanks for watching lift fans, and I'll see you in the next video.